This is the superior gluteal artery, the inferior gluteal artery, the internal iliac artery, external iliac artery, external iliac vein, and the common iliac artery. That's good. So coming up, while these branches come in the lower trunk is the hepatic portal vein. These little kind of top right here are the common hepatic artery. Then coming this little sprout is the gastric artery. We have the splenic artery up here, the splenic vein right there, the superior mesenteric artery, superior mesenteric vein, inferior mesenteric artery is that little red dot right there. And that is it on this.
Ready.
So this is the inferior vena cava, and this one is the hepatic vein. And done.
Ready.
Okay. So this is the superior gluteal artery. Then we have the inferior gluteal artery, the sciatic nerve. This is yellow band. So it branches off the sciatic nerve, branches off into the common fibular nerve, and on the branch of this, our sciatic nerve branch, tibial nerve. Then we in the blue right here, on the inside of the tibial nerve is the popliteal nerve. On the outside is the popliteal artery. So blue is popliteal vein. Then we have the branching off the popliteal artery is the superior medial genicular artery. And you come down, you have the inferior medial genicular artery. On the other side of the superior medial genicular artery, you have the superior lateral genicular artery. And coming down, you have the inferior lateral genicular artery. Then this one coming down, branching in to the leg is the anterior tibial artery. Come down more, so the popliteal artery turns into the posterior tibial artery. So this is the inferior vena cava. This is the superior mesenteric artery, is this little hole. This is the celiac trunk, so right about where that hole is. This is the suprarenal vein, this blue one. Suprarenal artery, the red one going up. We have the lumbar arteries, the ones in red, and lumbar veins, the ones in blue. We have the common iliac artery and common iliac vein. This is external iliac artery, external iliac vein. We have the internal iliac artery. We have the median sacral artery, the red going down. The femoral artery and femoral vein. The inferior mesenteric artery, that little hole. The abdominal aorta. The renal artery and renal vein. We got familiar. Okay, I'm ready. So we have the left gastric artery, but we just need to know gastric artery, the one going up. So we have the gastric artery, the one coming up right here. We have the splenic artery, splenic vein, go into the spleen, artery vein. The superior mesenteric artery. The superior mesenteric vein. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Superior mesenteric veins right here. 162. The inferior mesenteric artery. And down up there. The median sacral artery. The right. Or sorry, just external iliac artery, external iliac vein. Internal iliac artery, internal iliac vein. You can't see it on this, but there should be an artery coming down like here. That would be the gonadal artery coming through here, attaching to the to the external iliac artery. The inferior vena cava, the abdominal aorta, the renal artery, renal vein, so going to the kidneys, common hepatic artery, so going to the liver, the hepatic portal vein is this one coming up. It branches out here, so this one coming up branches out. Up is the hepatic portal vein. And then the hepatic veins are just the ones right here, number 59 coming right off the inferior vena cava.
Ready?
So we have common iliac artery, the common iliac vein, the median sacral artery, the external iliac artery, external iliac vein, internal iliac artery, internal iliac vein. Coming down here, you have the femoral artery, the deep femoral artery, the ascending circumflex femoral artery, the descending branch of the circumflex femoral artery. The femoral artery, once you come down here about to the knee, it turns into the popliteal artery. On the bottom right here, you see this little blue U. That's the dorsal venous arch. Coming in, we have the femoral artery here, femoral vein. This is the great saphenous vein, this blue one. This little small blue one is the small saphenous vein. So the great saphenous vein comes down on the inside, small saphenous vein comes down here, makes that dorsal venous arch. And then this one coming, again, there'd be right coming up here would be the gonadal artery. And then again, this is the internal iliac artery, internal iliac vein.
Okay.